Welcome to How to Web. In today's video, we'll show you how you can use ExitLag online to reduce lag and ping. To reduce lag in RAN online with ExitLag, download and install the software from the official website. Log into your account, search for RAN online in game list and select it. Choose the recommended routes for your region and click Apply Routes and then simply launch the game and ExitLag will optimize your connection for reduced lag and improved performance. Keep the app updated for the best results and also make sure you have an active subscription to access all the features. I'll display all these steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. That's it. You can enjoy your gaming experience with low ping and latency. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides.